Hey guys, Patriot Contraptions here, and today we're kicking off my series of LD stereotypes on this channel. Used to be on the LD Man. Well, that channel shut down, so all my LD videos are here from now on every Friday. So stay tuned. Today, we're checking out the stereotype of the logic train guy. This guy loves to take a topic that seems to be unrelated and connect it to a completely different topic. It doesn't exactly work that way, but he thinks it does, so here he is, the logic train man. Wow! Logic, examples, reasons! Yes, you guessed it! I am the logic guy! You named it. I can connect it to any other topic. Yes, for example, today I will be connecting light switches, which are located on the walls in most houses, to national security. Don't think it can be done? It sure can. Here we go! Light switches to national security! Woo! Now, your light switch is normally found on the wall, and it can be left in the on or the off position. I prefer to leave mine in the on position. Why do I leave it in the on position? It uses more electricity. When you use more electricity, Commonwealth Edison makes money. Ooh. And when they get money, they need to invest it in something. What do they know? Electricity. So they make more electricity with the extra money. Now, with all that extra electricity, prices go down, because that's the way the market works. And when prices go down, people go, what can we do with all this extra electricity? Oh, I got some great ideas. Let's build a giant photon cannon to shoot the moon. Boom! And when people build giant photon cannons to shoot the moon, boom! People get interested, particularly the military. And when the military sees giant photon cannons that shoot the moon, boom! They decide that would be great to put on their tanks. So they take the photon cannon and they put it on their tanks and they rank that tank roll down and they point at their enemy over there. And when their enemy sees that giant tank with a photon cannon pointed at them, they go, I don't know if I want to fight that country. Probably not. And of course, when your army is that strong, nobody's going to fight you, which means you have achieved national security. All because you left your light switch on. And that is why the power of logic is. Woo! Logic, baby! Yeah! Well, that was definitely entertaining. I mean, who would have thought that light switches were connected to national security? I sure wouldn't have thought that right off the bat. But that's what you get on LD Stereotypes. So, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. It really helps me out a lot on this channel and keeps me being able to film these videos for you. Now, I'll be posting new LD content every Fridays, as well as I post different content on this channel on Mondays. So if you tune in on Monday, you'll be seeing Nerf videos. If you tune in on a random other day and I've posted something, who knows what it'll be on? I love to do all sorts of crazy things with no really expected plan for them. So, stay tuned for more. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.